Can you believe it's May already? This is some of the best weather that we get all year. Hey, May's newsletter is going to be going out in the mail tomorrow as well. You're going to love the reminder of a great lesson found in the cover story about Dorothy. And good brain stuff in this month too. Tip on how to eliminate worry, and a good one about your teen's brain on alcohol. What was that story when I needed it? Hey, for you dads out there in pursuit of the perfect barbecue this summer, here's a little something on how to keep it safe for the fam as well. Okay? And don't leave out the moms or aspiring moms. Be sure to take the "Are you ready to be a mother?" test. Some fun stuff in there. Hey, one last reminder. If you're seeing this and you don't get this paper version yet, please click this link and update your mailing address so that you're not left out. See you on the 15th also for our second edition of the Take 5 with These 5, their e-newsletter. And speaking of next time you're in a conversation with someone and they mention that they're either looking to buy a home or perhaps move on from the one that they've got, please don't keep me a secret.